Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Dieppe, and I'm at like Lookout Point, which is kind of amazing. But let me turn this camera around and show you what the view looks like. It's pretty amazing. And this is a quick little video. It's on the top of this hill. But the view is amazing. You can see the boats and the fishing and the buildings on the right. You can see the castle at the end straight ahead of us. You know, that's pretty staggering. That's a heck of a picture, isn't it? Wow. And I call it Lookout Point just because it's got like benches and picnic tables and all sorts of stuff. And look at that house over there. The architecture on that's amazing. You can see Notre Dame in the background, but this is staggeringly beautiful. Yeah. Oh my. Very cool. And so that's really the whole city of Dieppe. You can see the train station over there. And I wonder if you can see my house. I guess I'm over that way. And then this is that wall that I walked along and did that other video. And again, it's just pretty amazing stuff. Yeah, you're not beating that view, are you? Pretty incredible. Wow, wow. Wow, that's amazing. And again, the Lookout Point, and people come up here and hang out. You couldn't ask, and I like that the bench is set up so it faces this way, so you can see the city and the view and the ocean. You can see the Gulf out that way. And there's a sign here. I'll get to the sign and then I'll be done with the video. Oh, I'll show you this side too. It's pretty cool. So here's the other side. That's that pier I walked out on yesterday, the fisherman's pier. And then this is it. Wow. So you really can see everything in the city. So at least Notre Dame, whatever. I'll get my hand out of the way so you can see not see the shadows, and you can just see the city. Dieppe really is wonderful. If you're in the UK and you can just come over for a weekend on a ferry for 30 bucks, what the heck? That's a pretty good deal. Yeah. Pretty amazing. Pretty amazing. That's it for me, everybody. Thanks for coming along. Thanks for watching my videos. And again, thanks for the suggestions that brought me to this very place. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.